Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn some animal signs.
BSL, keyword sign, monkey. Let's try monkey. One more. Monkey. BSL, keyword sign, elephant. Let's try elephant. One more. Elephant. BSL, keyword sign, tiger. Let's try tiger. One more. Tiger. BSL, keyword sign, chicken. Let's try chicken. One more. Chicken. BSL, keyword sign, frog. Let's try frog. One more. Frog.
You're doing great.
BSL, keyword sign, rabbit. Bunny rabbit. Let's try rabbit. One more. Rabbit. BSL, keyword sign, snake. Let's try snake. One more. Snake. BSL, keyword sign, mouse. Let's try mouse. One more. Mouse.
Fantastic
BSL,
work.
keyword sign, giraffe. Let's try giraffe. One more. Giraffe. BSL, keyword sign, turtle. Let's try turtle. One more. Turtle.
Nice signing. Let's go through them again together.
Monkey. One more. Monkey. Elephant. One more. Elephant. Tiger. One more. Tiger. Chicken. One more. Chicken.
You're doing great.
Frog. One more. Frog. Rabbit. One more. Rabbit. Snake. One more.
Fantastic work.
Snake. Mouse. One more. Mouse. Giraffe. One more. Giraffe. Turtle. One more. Turtle.
Should we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady.
Monkey. Elephant. Tiger. Chicken. Frog. Rabbit. Snake. Mouse. Giraffe. Turtle.
Nice signing. Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.